Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well and enjoying the good state of health with the grace of Allah Almighty. Allah Almighty always blessed upon you and your whole family members. Dear student, today we learn about true false, question answers, compound words and compound nouns and clipped words. Dear students, please take over your books and open the page number 130. Read the sentences below. Write T for true and write F for false. Number 1. The people were climbing onto the spaceship. False statement. Dear student, write here F. Number 2. The cylinder was the cover of the spaceship. True statement. Dear student, write T for true statement. Number 3. There were eyes on the alien's tentacles. False statement, so put here write an F. Number 4. The skin of the alien was shiny. True statement, so write T for true statement. The alien was as big as a bear. False statement, so write here for F for false statement. From page number 130, part B, answer the following questions. Question number 1. What does the word black refer to in the phrase stood out black against the sky? What does the word black refer to in the phrase stood out black against the sky? Answer question number 1. It refers to the people blocking the sunlight. It refers to the people blocking the sunlight. Question number 2. What could have made a peculiar humming sound? What could have made the peculiar humming sound? Answer question number 2. Answer the engine of the spaceship. The engine of the spaceship. Question number 3. What did the tentacles of the alien look like? Answer question number 3. They were like grey snakes. They were like grey snakes and looked like walking sticks. They were like grey snakes and looked like walking sticks. Question number 4. What was the narrator trying to do when he began pushing his way back from the edge of the pit? Answer question number 4. He was trying to escape. He was trying to escape from being gripped or caught by the tentacles. He was trying to escape from being gripped or caught by the tentacles. Question number 5. Why was the alien moving slowly or painfully out of the cylinder? Why was the alien moving slowly and painfully out of the cylinder? Answer of the question number 5. The opening was too small for the alien. The opening was too small for the alien. Question number 6. Why do you think the narrator was overcome with disgust and dread? Answer question number 6. Because of the appearance of the alien. Answer number 6. Because of the appearance of the alien. Dear students, these Answers learn by heart and wrote on your notebooks as homework. Question answer learn by heart, true false learn by heart, and homework only write on your notebooks question and answers. Let's turn to the page number 131, compound noun. First of all, dear student, we learn about what is compound noun. A compound noun is a noun that is made up of two or more nouns. A compound noun is a noun that is made up of two or more nouns, as like make is a one noun and up is a second noun. He make a compound noun make up. Next word, tooth and brush makes toothbrush. Postman make postman. Space plus ship make compound noun spaceship. Air plus plane make the words to make a compound noun airplane. Keyboard plus makes a compound word keyboard. News plus paper makes a compound noun newspaper. Lap plus top make a word laptop, a compound noun. Next topic is clipped word. A clipped word is a shortened version of a longer word. A clipped word is the shortened version of a longer word. Word advertisement is the clipped word ad. Bicycle, clipped word bike. Champion is the original word, but its clipped word is champ. Examination is a original word and its clipped word exam. Telephone is the original word and its clipped word is phone. Only write on phone. Rhinoceros is its clipped word rhino. Influenza, its clipped word flu. Next word is refrigerator is original word and clipped word is fridge. We use in daily routine life. Gymnasium is clipped word gym. Laboratory is its clipped word lab. Veterinarian and its clipped word is vet. Teenager, clipped word teen. Microphone, clipped word mic. And last and the least, photograph, its clipped word is photo. Dear students, we use the clipped word for the shortage of the time and shortened version of the longer word to write an easy and understand it easy. Dear students, page number 131 and 130 learn by heart, and question answer is your homework task. You can write on your notebooks. Wassalam.